be quick because there's a big security camera in here, but this is the Carroll County Courthouse. All these floors are locked off. You gotta have a code to get in. This is the jail and courthouse elevator. This is really risky. But this is an old building like any other courthouse. Here's the call button. This is like the double tree, the green tree, the call button right there. That's a wooden floor. I'm not going to 1 because that's where the security desk is, so we're going back down to 2. Here is your phone. It doesn't work. Oh, door closes right here. But that's interesting. They have a door open here, and they have a door open here. Oh, they have one over there too. But anyways, I'm not gonna be here too long because they do have a security camera here, so all the call buttons have been replaced. I think this is where there's a bigger call station on this floor, but oh, there's the back door on it where the jail floors open up at, and this is actually 7 floors. This ain't 5, this is 7. And there it goes, and that's it.